Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix right way skin on laptop. So there you can see my skin already rotated, and how can I fix it or how can I solve it? In this video I will show you that. So at first you just need to right click on your mouse. After that you can see on the last option, there you can see display settings. There you can see display settings, just click it. Okay, now you can get lot of option here. There you can see, you just need to select this option. There you can see display orientation. There you can see display orientation, just select it, and you need to select on the first option, landscape. You just need to select first option, that's it. Then you need to select keep change. Now you just need to copy it, and then there you can see your laptop skin now right way. You can fix your laptop skin right way. So thank you everyone for watching this video.